Hi po, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Welcome to my vlog ko. Nasa Dagupan na ako ngayon. Mga friend, mga idol, pisandi sa ating lahat. Welcome to my vlog. Kararating ko lang dito mga friends. Yung mga suki-suki ko dyan. Trialsis, pa-shout out. Starman Boys, pa-shout out. Starman Girls, pa-shout out. Costless, pa-shout out. Yuri World, pa-shout out. Joan De Guzman, Alvin, pa-shout out. Angel Sweet, pa-shout out. May barkada mo taga Kian, Bulusan, si Jans Montemayor, pa-shout out. Jans. Jong Oson, pa-shout out. Boy Bote, pa-shout out. Prince Bautista, pa-shout out. Boss Eric, pa-shout out. Mang Frederick Ramirez Diaz, pa-shout out. Dan si Joan. May duara na po mo, si John Eugene, dan si Maria Josephine Joy. Jomar, pa-shout out sa Babian. Pa-shout out Marvin Mauson, Budin Mauson. Angela Miranda, pa-shout out. Angelica Geremet, pa-shout out. Si Charles Umangan, pa-shout out. Charles, may Gordon Hilim sini. Anti kumpare Frederick Lagi, pa-shout out. Sabi kay Bedan Sagay, Georgia, pa-shout out. Charles. Angelica Keremet, pa-shout out. Ma'am Kati Muto, pa-shout out. Wonder Family, pa-shout out. Ma'am Gabi Binyar, pa-shout out. Ma'am Gabi Rosuelio, pa-shout out. Ma'am Jerry Solis Estrada, pa-shout out. See you na. Alam nyo na yan mga friend. Happy Sunday sa ating lahat.